In this week's TYRANIS tip, I'm going to show you guys how to make disassembly and changing belts and getting to your torque converter a little bit easier. Sometimes it can be tricky to get your belt and drive pulley off because they'll be a little bit tight and won't allow you to pull all the way off the end of the engine. So what I'm going to do is with our driven pulley, I'm going to grab this part of the torque converter so I can hold it still. And I'm also going to grab this part of the torque converter up here. And we're going to twist these against one another like that. And now I'm holding real tight, trying to keep pressure on this thing so it doesn't snap back on me. As you can see right there, I was able to pull it in. And now the belt is pulled deeper into the torque converter and wedging it open. With the belt stuck in here like this, it's pinched open a little bit wider. That's going to give us a lot more room on this side to be able to pull our drive pulley out, do some maintenance, swap it back in. Give this a little adjust. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one.